Get the worksheet used in this lesson, as well as hundreds of others, at Mathcation.com. This video is about the product rule for exponents. You can download our product rule for exponents worksheet by clicking on the link in the description below. Here we are at number 1. Number 1 says we're going to multiply 8 to the 4th times 8 to the 11th. In terms of this problem, when we have 8 to the 4th, what that really is saying is 8 times 8 times 8 times 8. And then when we have 8 to the 11th, what 8 to the 11th is saying is we're multiplying 8 to the 4th times 8 to the 11th, or we have 11 eighths. So if you look at our problem, we have 8 to the 4th, there are 4 eighths, and then we have multiply times 8 to the 11th, which are 11 eighths. And when you multiply all those together, you have to figure out how many eighths you're going to end up with. So what we're going to do is we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 eighths. So our final answer will be 8 to the 15th power. You can skip this step if you know the shortcut. You will notice that what we did was we counted up all of the eighths. But instead of having to do that, you could have just added the exponents. So if you look back to our original problem, we have 8 to the 4th times 8 to the 11th. If you just do 4 plus 11, you will get the same answer, 8 to the 15th. So the shortcut for using the product rule for exponents is to just add the exponents together as long as they have the same base. So our next example gives us 4 to the 8th times the term 4 to the 5th, 8 to the 3rd. Now we learned in our first example that our shortcut can be just to add the exponents. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the 4's and we're going to add the exponents together, and then we're going to take the base of 8 and rewrite it underneath. Now the reason we don't write the two together is because the bases are different. So this is a base of 4 and they can get multiplied or combined together, and this has a base of 8 and it cannot go with the 4's. So if we had, hypothetically, another 8 here, we could have multiplied the 8's together. But we don't have another 8, so we just leave the 8 by itself. When using the shortcut, we're going to add the exponents of the 4. So we will do 4 to the 8 plus 5, which is 4 to the 13th power. And then we have this 8 to the 3rd that is getting combined with nothing else, so it will just stay 8 to the 3rd. And that is our answer. The final example that we're going to go over shows when we have a negative exponent. So just because we have a negative exponent does not mean the rule changes. So we still have a base of 7. So we know that because the base is 7 for both of these, we're going to add them together. So we're going to keep the base, and then we're going to add negative 3 plus the exponent of 17. So when you add negative 3 plus 17, you get 14, and that's going to be your answer. So the key takeaway here is that just because we have a negative exponent does not change the rule. The rule will stay the same. If you found this video helpful, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to our channel, or check out our website for more premium math content. Thanks for watching.